Hello dear learners, my name is Paras Kalaria and I am your facilitator for this week. In this lecture, I am going to discuss about how this course proceeds, how the assignments are arranged and how you have to complete these assignments. So mainly this course proceeds in form of video lectures. We are having some hands-on experiment also to learn practically making of products. Secondly, we are also providing you some quiz assignment in form of video lectures also. For that, you have to analyze that video lectures and you have to give the response in form of what you understand from that lectures. In short, I can say that for particular video assignments, you are guided in detail through the facilitator in respective video assignments. So this is how our course is going to be proceed. Thank you very much.